Welcome to a private location in historic Winchester Center. This Garrison Colonial offers the finest construction and is filled with amenities. There are formal and informal rooms, offering wide-board floors, period details, and 3 fireplaces. The second floor provides a master suite with jetted tub and large walk-in closet. There are 2 additional bedrooms, a bath, and laundry room. A spacious guest suite at the other end of the house offers total privacy. There is room for a pool or tennis courts. Complete privacy, yet close to major amenities.